Hey guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I just thought I would be doing a Rowena makeup tutorial, mainly because I love Rowena so much, and I saw that Ruth uploaded on her Instagram a few of Rowena's makeup tutorials, and I figured I'd just, try them. And also a huge shout out to her makeup artist, give me a second, Trishy makeup, that's her name on Instagram. She did an amazing job and I love her work. I actually went through whenever I first saw and looked at her Instagram, and it's just amazing. And yeah, so I don't know, I just figured I thought I would do it because something I love, and even though I'm not great at it, I'd like to try it at least. And I know I look a bit ridiculous right now, but I figured I couldn't just do the makeup without doing the full costume, and I was really gonna look for casual cosplay, but for Rowena there is no casual, so so I'll show you guys the costume afterwards and show you like what all extra details I added and stuff. And I'll do my hair, which I know looks a bit crazy right now, but since I didn't have Ruth's like bangs and stuff like that, and I don't know how to like make them because I'm too lazy to look up a tutorial, I just did my original bun with my bangs. But since my hair doesn't like to curl at all, I just wetted my bangs and then twisted them and pinned them up. So hopefully that'll work. If not, I'll figure out some other way, but So the first thing I'm going to be using is this hard candy eyeshadow primer, and it's called Eyes the Limit. And I got this in a little makeup palette a while ago. It's back there in my makeup drawer. But this is the only eyeshadow primer I have other than my concealer, which is what I normally use. So I'm going to be using this today. It's great. Oh yeah, also I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm going to be doing this sort of goldish look since that's going to be easiest, first off. And second off, it just matches better with the black dress, I think. So completely ruined that palette. Also, I forgot to mention this earlier, but I'm going to be trying to attempt this look with both of my Supernatural eyeshadow palettes. I have both of them. I have the Monster Guide eyeshadow palette, and then I don't even know what this one's called. It's just an eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be attempting to try to make up with both of these, and we'll just see how this goes. Also, fair warning, this one is really messed up, so please excuse like the badness of it. Like, let me show you. First off, my mirror is cracked. Can you tell I have bad luck with mirrors? And then I've used this palette a lot, as you can see, and it's especially this black. Dear Lord, this black. But I bought another one. So okay, so from what I can tell, I'm not 100% sure if this is right, but they're using like a dark brown to like cut out her crease. So I'm going to be using probably from the Monster Guide eyeshadow palette, because I think that best matches the shade. I don't know, they didn't insert shade colors or anything from the makeup tutorial. Also, I'm well aware that none of this makeup is gonna match Ruth's original makeup, mainly because I don't have the kind of makeup that she has, so I'm just going based off of what I have. And so that shape seems pretty okay. Now I'm just gonna add more and blend it out, even though now I messed up and I accidentally pulled it all the way. That's because what I'm used to, she stops about midway in the eye. Okay, next I'm going to be adding a darker brown, and I'm going to be using Possession from the black eyeshadow palette. So I did a terrible job of explaining this earlier, so I'm going to do it now. So basically what I did is I took Demon Eyes from the black eyeshadow palette and I did sort of an eyeliner-esque thing on my lid. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take that black and I'm going to draw like I did with that crease. now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to be putting that on brush, and I'm just going to be doing that right here, and then I'm going to be adding Free Will to that. Taking a little bit of that brown and I'm going to blend that right here, that way there's not a harsh line. I'm also going to be taking the black and just going over that black line because I accidentally put a little bit right here, so I'm going to fix that. Let's go! In that brownish blackish color, and I'm going to just be bringing it underneath my eye. And so now I'm going to copy everything I did on this eye to this eye. Hello, I'm back, and I finished the other eye. It obviously doesn't look good as this eye, but I'm completely okay with that, and as long as they sort of look somewhat symmetrical. And I checked while I was gone, and turns out there was a whole list of the stuff that she used and how she did it, like on her Instagram thing, and I didn't see that. And she does use winged eyeliner, but I like the eyeshadow much better. It looks, I don't know, I just think it looks better. And so I did mess up there, and I completely admit to that, so sorry if I did any of the steps wrong, or if it just isn't the way it's supposed to. I just did based off of what the video said. I didn't pay attention to the caption at all, so I'm so sorry for that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing my foundation and stuff like that, and yeah. Hello, I'm back. And so I done did the powder in my eyebrows and all of that fun stuff, so I figured I'd go ahead and do the contour and the highlight and lipstick and stuff with that all of that stuff with you guys, just because I wanted something more than just to cut off right there and then pop back up again. That, and plus I've never contoured very well before, so like I know the gist of it, but I'm not good at it. So we're gonna try and see how this goes. And I'm going to be using this Ulta Beauty little highlighter bronzer kit. I'm just going to be using the bronzer because I'm using a different highlight for the makeup look, so let's go. So I'm going to be using my Highlight BYS highlighting palette, and I got this from Hot Topic, and it looks like this. And I have used the heck out of this thing, as you can tell. So, and this is the only one that has pinkish shades in it. Since that one has a pinkish shade, I'm going to be using, I guess Glam mixed with Gleam. That way it kind of looks like the color a bit. I don't know, I'm thinking more on the Gleam side. Glam. There we go. So she uses lip liner, and I don't normally use lip liner, and she kind of has like this half red lip liner. It's a MAC Cosmetics half red, and I don't have that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. like cream lip thing, I don't know what it's called. I'm going to be using it in wine because it's the closest shade I have, and I'm going to be very lightly using it because, like I said, this is the closest shade I have. I don't have any other shade that matches it like spot on, so this is the closest I have. And then for the actual lipstick, she uses a Bobbi Brown Uber Pink, and since I don't have that either, these are the closest two shades I have to it, so I'm going to be mixing those together. And it is a hard candy all glossed up lip stain, and it doesn't give me a color, so yeah, it just looks like this. It's a pink, and I'm going to be using I can't remember where I got this from. Probably Ulta or something because it looks like it's from Ulta. But it's the nostalgic, and it's kind of like that. I don't know, I'm terrible at this, so we're going. musical? What musical? If Rowena were to have a favorite musical, what musical do you think would be her favorite? Tell me down in the comments below. I think her favorite musical would be Wicked. So right here I am undoing my curls and I'm trying to fix them since they are way curlier than I expected, and then after I do this I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and then applying mascara. Right here I am showing you all the accessories I used. I try to find more of a witchy type of accessory, and I used a bracelet I got from my friend Kendall for my birthday and 2 rings that I thought were really witch-like. And so yeah, I also have this really pretty necklace that says Believe on it, and I believe I got most of this jewelry from my aunt for Christmas, and so I thought that they would match it. And now you see me trying to get up on my bed to show you my dress. So this is basically just a black dress that I have in my closet, which is one of the only dresses I have since I don't really do dresses. But since Rowena typically likes long dresses with long sleeves, I didn't have that. So basically what I did is I just took a black cardigan and I put it back over, and so this turned out really, really great and I really like it. So alright guys, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm actually really happy with how this turned out. I was expecting it to go way worse, and just everything, even though I did stuff wrong, it turned out amazing, and I'm super happy with it, and I hope that this was amazing to you guys and it was fun to watch, hopefully. And I don't know, I just really love Rowena so much. She's such an empowering character, and even though she's not my favorite female character, she's definitely on my top 5, and I love her super much, which that didn't make sense. And I love the actress Ruth. She is such an inspiration to me, and it was such an amazing time to do this. And I don't know, I think that's all. I guess I'll see you guys later. I really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I love you all very much. If you liked it, please like and subscribe and comment, do all that fun favorite stuff. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to stay happy, stay you, and spread peace and love. I forgot my intro for a second, but that's okay. Bye!